Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this warm toned brown and green look, so if you'd like to see how I did this, just keep on watching. Starting off with the BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette, I took the matte Aquarius shade, which is like a light brown, on a blending brush, and I just buffed this into my crease. And sorry if it seems like I might be talking a little different, my household got hit by strep this week, so that's fun. I think I'm finally catching it, so hopefully I could get my medicine tomorrow and I won't be affected too much because, oh boy, I had strep once in my life in high school and it was just like a miserable experience. Not so much like painful, it was just like the pain in the throat, the weird talking, and it's all coming back to me right now. Next, I am taking the matte Sagittarius shade, which is a warmer brown, but it's still one of the lighter transition shades in the palette, and I am putting this into my crease as well, making sure it's nice and blended, and I also run a little of that into the outer corner of my eye. So I'm just making sure that that color is really nice and blended out and diffused so it looks nice and soft in the gradient. Does that sound like something you'd be into? Next, I am taking the matte Scorpio shade, which is a darker warm-toned brown, and I'm using a defining crease brush, and first I am just placing this into my crease, and then also I'm going to be placing this onto the outer corner of my eye as well, probably about the outer half, and then I'm going to end up going in with that blending brush I used earlier, and then just blend that all out. I believe the truth can be reality. Will you roll with that? 'Cause I want you to. I'm stuck in trying to find a way to make it easier to say that there's just one thing on my mind, and I think it's time for you to realize I want you all to myself. Don't want to share you with nobody else. So give me something to believe. And then I took the shimmery Sagittarius shade, which is a green color, and I already cut my lid with concealer, and then I'm just packing this onto the concealer I laid down with a flat shadow brush from Wet n Wild. And obviously you could just pair whatever shimmer you want with this look. I just like green looks. It's just something I've always liked, so I just decided to go with green. So when it comes to meeting those two colors, I just kind of start patting the green onto the brown, and then I'll go back in later and blend it all together. Then I'm going in with the darkest shade that I'm going to be using, which is the matte Pisces color. I am using that same defining crease brush, and I'm starting to lightly pack this onto my outer corner and then build it up to the intensity that I want it to be. And then I just took my blending brush and I very lightly tapped along the edges of that darkest brown just to help it kind of blend into the other colors. And then I went back into the matte Pisces one more time and just started to deepen it up just a little more. And then taking a flat shadow brush, I went in with the lighter shade I used before, which right before this was the matte Scorpio shade, And I'm just placing that in between the green and the darkest color. And then I'm going back into the green and I'm patting that on top of that as well, just so it kind of helps to blend from the green into the brown more seamlessly. Then I am taking the Shimmer Aquarius color, which is like a golden color, on a small pencil brush, and I'm putting this onto the inner corner of my eye, and then I'm just slightly dragging it up onto the green. Not too far, I want to say maybe about a quarter of the way onto my lid. Sorry, I am not speaking well right now. It's just my throat hurts. Sorry for that. But yeah, I just placed this color down and then I started tapping it into the green so it faded nicely from gold to green.
I just wanna know what your truth is. Will you be the one to break me out of this?
And then I'm taking the matte Scorpio shade on a small defining brush, and I'm just putting this right above that green color to help define the crease a little more.
I want you all to myself.
And then for my lower lash line, I started out with the lightest brown shade, and then I did go in to the next brown shade that I had used, which was the matte Sagittarius, and I ran that closer to my lower lashes. And then I end up using a angled brush and the matte Scorpio shade, and I ran that closest to my lower lash line.
Don't wanna share you with nobody else. So give me something to.
Then for mascara, I went in with the Tarte Tarteist Lash Paint Mascara and coated my top and lower lashes. I'm thinking for my next video, I'm going to be doing the next look in my Zodiac series. And then I'm probably going to be doing a few more makeup tutorials like this. If you have any suggestions for like color combos or anything like that, or just requests, let me know in the comments below.
Will you promise me? Will you promise me?
Now for bronzer, I went in with the Makeup Revolution All About the Bronzed palette, and I mixed these two shades to bronze up my cheekbones using a fluffy angled face brush. Then I dipped into the Bebella Cosmetics contour palette, taking this shade on a crown brush, and I used that to carve out my cheekbones and my jawline. And I'm also receiving some stuff in the mail. I'm going to be receiving some stuff from Profusion that I really want to review for you guys. And then I'm also going to be receiving some of the new Essence palettes that I ordered and some new Wet n Wild stuff. So I have a lot of those videos coming your way.
So give me something to believe.
Then I took this shade from the Makeup Revolution Hot Spice palette. It's a blush palette, obviously. And then I used that to blush my cheeks using the Royal & Langnickel Moda Pro pointed blush brush.
Will you promise me? Will you promise me?
Next for highlighter, I went in with the Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighter in the shade Golden Lights using the Luxie Tapered Highlighting Brush, and I use that to highlight my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, the tip of my nose, and the bridge of my nose. And then finally for lips, I went in with the Ofra liquid lipstick in the shade Napa Valley. This is like a metallic dark purple. You could pair like a nude with this, or like even like a brownie color, or pretty much any color you want actually, because there's really like no rules in makeup, but I just decided to go with this darker vampy lip. And that completes this look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in my next one.